Alright, let's see what fucking bullshit they did here. Okay, yep. Fucking hell. See, look at that. It's fucking cable. That's my cable. Look, conduit is not even in the fucking box. Look at this. Oh man. Jesus Christ. I don't actually see that at all. Yeah, there's fuck me. Oh, that's huge. I don't know if it's going to be. Oh no, they haven't tightened it up. So that's alright. I haven't cleaned up all the dust either. Making a fucking vacuum. But, fuck's sake, man. It's what have they done here? No, they've just. Oh, Jesus Christ. Fucking dust wasn't enough. But look at this. There's a huge gap there. My finger can fit inside that. That's ridiculous. I'm trying to. Right. You can see cable, both cables, because there's a Cat 6 going up for the current copper. It just goes behind the thing. Oh, you can actually see it there. Okay. I don't know if you can see it on the thing, but it goes behind the box. Oh, there's just a cable there. And that's what's coming out under there and going up into there. Fucking hell, man. Alright, let's what we got there? Okay. Yeah, so they've cut and terminated and stuff. It's gone down to the pit. Bloody hell, man. Well, you can see how much gap there is there. It's just that's just ridiculous. And this pipe does not even go into the grommet. That's what the fucking thing is there for. It's supposed to go into that, and this just kind of comes out of it. And, fuck me. This goes under, and they've bent around, and that goes behind it. Oh, fuck me. That's ridiculous. That's absolutely ridiculous. I mean, this they've kept that. Oh, look how tight they've done that cable tie there as well. Fucking hell. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. It's so bright and stuff, but fuck me. That is ridiculous. Absolutely fucking ridiculous. And pinching that cable so much. This is fibre, for God's sake. You can't pinch it like that. Fucking ridiculous. Because originally this pipe it's been existing for probably 30 years. It continued up to here. There was a bend. Now we put this box up here and we cut the bend out. We put flex from there into there and flex from here down into the previous pipe. Now the point of it being up there is because this is a laneway, and so we didn't have to modify the existing conduit too much. We went there, so it was nice and neat to go out there, and because it's a laneway, there's often trucks and stuff going to the houses and stuff, and so the customer and the council, because this is a heritage building, the customer was worried about people coming by and vandalizing, or trucks coming by and hitting it. So it went up there with council approval, because this is a heritage building, 180 years old apparently, so it requires the approval from council. So that was all done there, about 4 hours to do it. Everything was nice and neat. All NBN had to do was run their shitty fibre through the pitch, through the drawstring that we placed that went up into that box, and that was it. We did the rest of it. We did all the inside work. And yeah, they came along saying, "Oh no, it's too high, regulations this." That's right, NBN actually cited regulations, which is ridiculous. And so they said that all of the and the regulations have changed, so it has to be less than 1.8 meters. But if we look around, the neighbours, theirs is at least 3 meters. So, but the rules are old, they're not new rules. They said the neighbours are probably done before the rules changed, but the rules haven't changed. And NBN also said that the NBN rules are final. There's no, like, council doesn't mean anything, heritage doesn't mean anything, NBN's all final. Which is bullshit. Absolute bullshit. I don't know, it's just super dodgy work by NBN, as always. Then they did 2 screws there, but they didn't clean up anything. I brought my vacuum, I'll clean it up. But it's just fucking ridiculous, man. So now we've got a box up there that's not going to be used, and it means I put 4 holes into the wall for nothing. And you can see here, so they actually have damaged. Oh, hello. So they have actually damaged the wall, and they've left a big chunk of it, taken a big chunk of it out, and it looks like they have tried to put silicone in there. But yeah, so definitely put silicone, lots of it, and some of it there. But yep, so there's now a little hole there with exposed brick. They've done a real shit job with silicone as well. And then just fucking hell. Oh, and up there as well. That's pathetic, man. The guy said he's been doing this shit for 10 years. Fucking bullshit. Only for 10 years in fucking India, where they don't have regulations. Fucking hell. Bullshit. Alright, I'll get my photos and get the fuck out of here.